Crocheting the leaf section. Starting chain method. Make a slip knot. Place the hook into the loop and tighten. Crochet 21 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. After finishing the 21 chains, go back to the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook through half of the left side loop and crochet 19 single crochet stitches back along the chain. Insert your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There is one chain remaining at the end. In this last stitch, crochet 3 single crochet stitches in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Then turn to the other side and begin crocheting the second half of round 1. Tighten the stitches. Insert the hook into the first stitch on this side. Lay the yarn across the hook and hide the tail as you crochet. Crochet 18 single crochet stitches along the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After hiding the tail for 6 stitches, pull the yarn tail tight and trim it. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After finishing the 18 single crochet stitches, work an increase in the last stitch, which means 2 single crochet stitches in the same space. After that, slip stitch into the first single crochet to close the round. Round 1 is complete. Round 2. Chain 2 to start. In the first stitch, crochet a double crochet increase, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In the same stitch again, add another double crochet increase. Next, crochet 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then crochet 9 half double crochets. To make a half double crochet, yarn over. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Crochet 9 total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the next stitch, crochet 3 half double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Turn to the other side. And crochet 9 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then crochet 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the end, work 2 double crochet increases. 1 double crochet increase. Then another double crochet increase. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Round 3. Chain 2. In the first stitch, 1 double crochet. In the second stitch, double crochet increase. Then crochet 9 double crochets. After finishing those, crochet 11 half double crochets. Next stitch, crochet 3 half double crochets in the same space. After that, crochet another 11 half double crochets. When you reach this point, the 11 half double crochets are complete. Then crochet 9 double crochets. After finishing the 9, you should have 4 stitches left. Work 1 double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet increase. Repeat that once more. 1 double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet increase. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Fasten off. Turn to the back side. Pull the yarn tail to the wrong side. Identify the front and back. Uneven stitches equals wrong side. Smooth stitches equals right side. Pick a few strands on the back. Insert the hook. Pull the yarn tail through. Weave it in for several stitches so it won't come loose. And that's it. Using the same method, we need to make 2 leaf pieces. Assembly. If you have a glue gun, use it. If not, use the hot melt glue stick included in the material kit. Heat it with a lighter for 5 to 10 seconds, and it will be ready to use. Take out the crochet body. Like this. And attach the leaves onto it with hot melt glue. When applying glue, avoid the very edges of the leaves. It's best to apply glue about 1 centimeter away from the edge. Apply a little glue here. Glue 1 leaf first. Once the first leaf is fixed, place the second leaf overlapping the first one and press to secure. Apply glue only up to this area since the leaf naturally bends toward the right. This gives the proper shape. After everything is attached, our corn pillow is complete.